Hello students, welcome back with me, Dea Puspha Annisa, as your science teacher for today's experiment. Do you know how does the eardrum inside our ears help us hear the sound? Well, today we will conduct the experiment about the eardrum and discuss about the hearing mechanism in our ears. So, for today's activities, you will create the model of the eardrum and analyzing the hearing mechanism in human ears. Before we start the experiment, you need to pause this video and then scan this QR code or go to the description box and click the link that link to the background knowledge of this experiment. After you watch the video, there are several questions you have to answer. The first question is, what are three main parts of the ears? The ear has three main parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The second question is, what included in the middle ears? In the middle ear, there are eardrum and the ossicles, which are malleus, incus, and hammer or stapes. The eardrum is a paper-thin layer of tissue between the outer ear and the inner ear. The function is to vibrate the sound waves from the outer ear and makes malleus, incus, and stapes shakes. Well, student, beside the question that I have asked you before, you can also ask me a question by comment on this video in the comment section below. For this experiment, you will probably need balloon, bowl, and cooked rice grains, scissor, cake pan, and the spoon. Based on the material and equipment that we have, how are you going to assemble the model that resembles an eardrum? The first thing first is you need to cut off the tip of the balloon. The second is you need to cover the mouth of the bowl with the balloon like a drum shape. After that, what will you do to make the surface of the eardrum model vibrate? But remember, you cannot touch it. And make sure that the vibration can be seen with your naked eye. The first thing you need to do is place the uncooked rice grain above the surface of the eardrum model. The second is make a loud noise from a cake pan by banging a cake pan with the spoon. loud noise from banging the cake pan produces sound waves. The sound waves causes balloon stretched over a bowl to vibrate. The uncooked rice grain moves due to the vibration of the eardrum model. In the eardrum model, the balloon, which stretched up over the bowl, simulates the eardrum, a thin paper layer of tissue in the middle ear, which stretched tight like a drum. When the sound waves hit the eardrum model, it will vibrate the surface of the eardrum model. Like in the human ear, when the sound waves hit the eardrum, it will vibrate the eardrum and make the ossicle bones to shakes. From this experiment, we can conclude that the eardrum is a paper-thin layer of tissue in the middle ear which stretches tight like a drum. The eardrum will vibrate when the sound waves hit it, and the vibration will make the ossicle bones to shakes. Well, students, thank you for watching this video and bye-bye.